Welcome to English Tour. This is a 3-minute shadowing practice.
Here's how it works. First, listen carefully. Then repeat exactly what you hear. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation, not just the words.
Ready? Let's begin.
I wake up early every morning. Repeat. I wake up early every morning. The weather is beautiful today. Repeat. The weather is beautiful today. I make a cup of coffee before work. Repeat. I make a cup of coffee before work. It helps me feel awake and ready. Repeat. It helps me feel awake and ready. I like walking to the park. Repeat. I like walking to the park. The fresh air makes me feel relaxed. Repeat. The fresh air makes me feel relaxed. Sometimes I listen to music. Repeat. Sometimes I listen to music. Other times I enjoy the silence. Repeat. Other times I enjoy the silence. I meet friendly people every day. Repeat. I meet friendly people every day. A simple smile can brighten someone's day. Repeat. A simple smile can brighten someone's day. Learning English takes time. Repeat. Learning English takes time. But every small step counts. Repeat. But every small step counts. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Repeat. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help you improve. Repeat. Mistakes help you improve. Practice a little every day. Repeat. Practice a little every day. Believe in yourself. Repeat. Believe in yourself. You are becoming more confident. Repeat. You are becoming more confident. Keep going. You're doing great. Repeat. Keep going. You're doing great.
Excellent job. Thank you for practicing with English Tour today.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and come back tomorrow for another English shadowing practice. See you in the next lesson.